my name is Prakash and I teach live on Unacademy Plus. So, after teaching for around 8.5 years in all the prestigious institutes of India, online and offline, so here I'm teaching live on Unacademy Plus, complete courses for CAT, of content, LRDI, in-depth courses, content-rich courses, right? That's what I take classes actually at Unacademy Plus, and so you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus and get access to all of my courses, including the mock test, including quizzes, including workshops, including live quizzes. That's a very innovative idea of Unacademy. And then now we have Last Mile to CAT workshop. So this Last Mile to CAT workshop is absolutely free, taken by all the top educators in Unacademy. Absolutely free to everyone. Tremendous practice session, lot of questions are done, right? So see you there live at Unacademy and Last Mile to CAT workshop. Thank you.
In my 22 plus years of CAT mentoring experience, I have sent thousands of students to top B schools in India and abroad. Hi, I'm Abhishek and I am now live on Unacademy teaching for CAT 2020 and for CAT 21. Come and join me for classes, for doubt solving, for tests, for discussions on the Unacademy platform. Teaching live for you. Let's crack it.
With Sunny, ex-time faculty, I have been teaching CAT aspirants for more than 3+ years and have produced multiple links. Guys, join me on Academy for complete revision guide and together we will crack the CAT exam. Guys, for 2020 aspirants, we are starting a Last Mile to CAT 2020 from 11th of October, in which all top educators will share 45 days plan strategy, round technique and time management strategy, B school application strategy, and tips to stay motivated. And last one is LMTC test. LMTC means Last Mile to CAT 2020. So guys, see you on 11th of October. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, I'm Shavana, VARC specialist for CAT. I have been mentoring CAT aspirants for more than 11 years now, and I have helped quite a few of them write their success stories. Guys, join me on Unacademy platform and together we shall crack the CAT exam. This is one platform where you get everything that you can think of related to the exam. Talk about live classes, recorded sessions, mocks, test series and whatnot. Of course, a lot of practice questions as well. And now we are bringing to you something called the Last Mile to CAT. What is that? Well, it is that last ounce of energy, that last bit of enthu, that confidence you need to crack the exam well. So join me on this platform. I'm going to tell you everything about VARC. I'm going to help you with that. Take my referral code shavana.white, take a subscription and come on board. I look forward to seeing you around.
Hi everyone, I'm Nilanjan Dutta, a CAT 100 percentiler and one of the topmost educators on Unacademy and Unacademy Plus for the CAT and MB exam segment. A lot have been following a variety of my courses over the past several months, and I wanted to inform all of you about the October 11th event, which is the Last Mile to CAT, where I'll be taking a session on the round techniques and how you can attempt wisely in the given amount of time. So do make sure that all of you are attending that, because in this last 1 or 2 months to CAT, the Last Mile to CAT event could be a big game changer in your preparations.
Hi, this is Abhishek. I did my graduation from SRCC and my MBA from IIM Bangalore. I worked for 5 years with a multinational financial institution before taking the plunge and joining the education industry. For over a decade now, I've been training thousands of students to get into top B schools and to top IIMs. I'm glad to share with you that I'm now on Unacademy to help you achieve your dream of getting into a top B school. So let's crack it.
Hello all, welcome to Unacademy. My name is Arun and I've been training students for CAT, ZAT, NMAT and other B school entrance examination from the last 8 years. I've done my MBA from MDI Gurgaon and I've trained more than 5,000 students for CAT and the other B school entrance examination. So please subscribe to Unacademy. You will be having access to all the educators present here and the amazing platform of Plus special classes and all the YouTube classes. Please use my code SPKhare to get a discount of 10%. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, I'm Sharon. I'm MBA in HR and also Master in Sociology. I'm also a voice and accent trainer and soft skills is one of my forte. Presently, I teach VRC in the CAT category on Unacademy platform. In my 10 plus years of teaching experience, I've mentored many students towards various competitive exams. As CAT 2020 is approaching, Unacademy brings to you the last mile to CAT 2020. A day event for workshops, sessions, tests and analysis to the CAT 2020. Join Unacademy and get the privilege to be trained from the best educators. Let's crack it together.
Hello my dear CAT aspirants, I'm sure everybody of you are doing great and all of you are safe. Well, my name is Akash and I'm having rock solid experience of 13 years in training students for various MBA entrance examinations, and I have cracked the CAT examination with 99 plus percentile 8 times. I have generated several all India toppers across MBA entrance examinations like CAT, ZAT, IIFT, etc. So guys, I come live on Unacademy Plus platform regularly and Unacademy free classes regularly, as well as I conduct regular free classes on Unacademy CAT-alyst YouTube channel. So join me live on Unacademy Plus, use my code akash.yt so that you can get 10% discount and you can get my personalized services apart from the network of top educators across India. You will also get free materials, test series, regular sectional test, topic test, overall mock test, as well as the analysis by the top educators across India. Let's crack it. Thank you so much.